Hey there and welcome to Eyes Power, your sanctuary for peace, relaxation, and healing. Whether you're here to calm your mind, sleep better, learn relaxation techniques, or simply take a deep breath away from daily stress, you're in the right place. If you enjoy this peaceful journey, don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to join our growing community of serenity seekers. Let's dive in and let your mind unwind. Have you ever played soft music while trying to fall asleep? Maybe a calming piano piece, gentle rain sounds, or ambient tones that seem to float in the background like clouds in the night sky. If you've ever done that, you've already tapped into one of the most natural sleep aids available to us: relaxing music. In this video, we're diving deep into how relaxing music impacts the brain, the body, and the very architecture of your sleep cycle. Let's begin with this truth. Your brain responds to sound even when you're unconscious. That means the music you choose before bed can literally shape the quality of your sleep. But how does it work? Let's go back to the basics of sleep itself. Sleep occurs in cycles, each lasting about 90 minutes. These cycles include stages of light sleep, deep sleep, and REM or dream sleep. Deep sleep, also known as slow-wave sleep, is the most restorative phase. This is when your brain clears out toxins, repairs cells, builds memory, and resets your emotional system. But deep sleep is fragile. Stress, noise, and overactive thoughts can reduce it significantly. That's where music comes in. Research shows that listening to relaxing music before bed can increase the duration and intensity of deep sleep. Why? Because music influences our autonomic nervous system, the system that controls your heart rate, breathing, and stress levels. When you listen to slow, calming music, around 60 beats per minute, your heart rate begins to slow. Your breathing becomes deeper, and your body transitions from fight or flight into rest and digest. This shift is essential. It reduces cortisol levels, helps melatonin rise, and prepares your brain for sleep mode. One study published in the Journal of Advanced Nursing found that people who listened to 45 minutes of relaxing music before bed reported significantly better sleep quality, falling asleep faster, staying asleep longer, and waking up more refreshed. Another study showed that soothing music can lower blood pressure and reduce anxiety, both of which contribute to better sleep. Now, let's talk about types of music. Not all music is created equal, especially when it comes to sleep. Upbeat pop songs, even if relaxing, can trigger emotional memories or activate your brain. Lyrics can engage your attention and prevent you from fully switching off. That's why many experts recommend. And what's more, this isn't just a psychological effect. Brainwave studies using EEG scans have shown that music can shift brain activity from beta waves, alert, to alpha and theta waves, the stages associated with light meditation and early sleep. In other words, music is not just helpful, it's transformative. So how do you use relaxing music for sleep? Let's talk about best practices. 1. Start early. Don't wait until you're in bed. Begin your wind-down ritual 30 to 60 minutes before sleep. Let the music gradually soften your mental noise. 2. Avoid headphones. While they offer privacy, they can become uncomfortable and even dangerous if worn all night. Instead, use a Bluetooth speaker or ambient sleep machine. 3. Create a sleep playlist. Choose 5 to 10 tracks that flow smoothly, without sharp transitions. Avoid tracks that suddenly change in tempo or volume. 4. Turn off autoplay. You don't want a loud advertisement or unrelated video to jolt you awake after an hour. 5. Pair the music with other calming elements, like dim lighting, candles, essential oils, or gentle breathing. Let it become part of a multi-sensory ritual. 6. Be consistent. The more regularly you use music at bedtime, the more your brain associates it with rest and safety. Eventually, just hearing the first few notes of your favorite track can start triggering sleep mode. Now, here's something interesting. Did you know that music can also reduce nightmares and night awakenings? In patients with PTSD and anxiety-related insomnia, studies show that calming audio before and during sleep can reduce nighttime arousals and increase time spent in REM sleep, the dream state. This happens because your brain continues to process sound subconsciously, even during sleep. So the right music becomes a guardian of your rest, a steady companion guiding your mind away from fear and into peace. The most beautiful part? You're in control. You get to choose what your nights sound like. So let's recap. Best choices include ambient music, nature sounds, 432 Hz and 528 Hz healing frequencies, binaural beats, instrumentals without lyrics. Pro tips: start listening 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Use speakers, not headphones. Build your own playlist. Pair music with candles, oils, or meditation. Be consistent. Ritual builds rhythm tonight. Give your body the gift of sound. Let your mind float on waves of melody. Let your breath find rhythm in the music. And let I's power be your nightly guide to a world of restful dreams. Sleep is not an escape, it's a return to stillness, to balance, to you. Sleep peacefully. You deserve it. Pro tips: start listening 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Use speakers, not headphones. Build your own playlist. Pair music with candles, oils, or meditation. Be consistent. Ritual builds tonight. Give your body the gift of sound. Let your mind float on waves of melody. Let your breath find rhythm in the music. And let I's power be your nightly guide to a world of restful dreams. Sleep is not an escape, it's a return to stillness, to balance, to you. Sleep peacefully. You deserve it. Sleep peacefully. You deserve it. Thank you for being here and sharing this moment of peace with us. If this video helped you relax or learn something new, please support us by liking, commenting, and subscribing. It really helps us keep creating this calm space for you. Until next time, stay peaceful, stay mindful, and remember, your well-being matters.